सिनॉप्सिस बना के भिजाता हूँ आपको।
ठीक, बोले।
80 acres लैंड है ऑन सेल, एग्रीकल्चरल लैंड 80 acres, और ये है देखिए सर आपको अमृतसर में, पंजाब, ठीक है। दूसरी है एग्रीकल्चरल लैंड 113 acres पठानकोट,
ओके,
ठीक है, 20 lakhs पर एकड़ पंजाब, ठीक है। के बाद तीसरी है 5000 एकड़ होशियारपुर, 4 lakhs पर एकड़ पंजाब, ठीक है, होशियारपुर, ठीक है। के बाद 300 बीघा लैंड, 300 बीघास लैंड, ओके, एग्रीकल्चरल लैंड है ये भी। ये है देखो सर टुपल जेवर, जेवर वेरी प्राइम लोकेशन, जेवर एयरपोर्ट इज 12 किलोमीटर्स डिस्टेंस, ठीक है। कंपनी ट्रांसफर डील है ये, 40 lakhs पर बीघा है, यूपी उत्तर प्रदेश, ठीक है।
ओके।
उसके बाद 30 बीघा लैंड है इंडस्ट्रियल, हाँ, वन बीघा इज इक्वल टू 1008 स्क्वायर यार्ड्स, ठीक है। ये मोजमपुर उत्तर प्रदेश, 45 lakhs पर बीघा। Then comes agricultural land 150 acres Kurukshetra, okay, on main highway NH1, demand 1.30 crores per acre, company transfer Haryana. Agricultural land 148 acres on main NH8 highway, NH8 is Delhi to Jaipur national highway, road number 8, fine, and asking price is 4 crore per acre Haryana. 110 bigas per sale near airport Dehradun, prime location, company transfer deal, 4-star hotel approval is there already, Uttarakhand, okay. Then coming to the hospital, it is NC Medical College and Hospital run by trust. It's a huge property, running condition, asking price 300 CR. It is in Panipat, Haryana. Metro Hospital, Palam Vihar, Gurgaon, company transfer deal, 200 bedded hospital, Haryana. Demand 175 crores.
Okay.
Then Sundarlal Jain Hospital, Delhi, run by trust, 250 bedded hospital.
Okay.
At present under renovation. Demand 250 CR.
Okay.
Delhi. Jaipur Golden Hospital, situated in Delhi, prime location, running status 500 bedded.
Wonderful.
Hospital run by trust.
Okay.
700 CR. Delhi.
Okay.
These all things have been made ready for Mrs. Mariam Khan as directed by you.
Okay, now I think what we need to do is, Yusuf Bhai, regarding all these facilities, hospitals, etc., which are operating and running currently, right?
Yes. In some are running, some are in renovations, like that. And
so
one running hospital I have in Bangalore also.
Okay.
Indiranagar, which is running.
Okay.
Which is very excellent.
Okay.
And that 255 CR.
Correct. So what we need to do now is this, that we need to prepare like the buyer for all these, facilities, which we need to build or which are existing facilities. We need to prepare a one-page summary. Okay, we call it a one-page business plan. Correct? Now, this business plan will be presented to all the investors in Europe and North America.
Done.
Okay. So now idea is very, very simple, that, all the people who are interested in enjoying the benchmark return on investment, okay, will be presented with these proposals, and we will make sure that, the desired return on investment is delivered to them by our company.
Definitely.
Since we are building it, we are operating it, and we are
Yes.
actually integrating all the climate smart technologies into these facilities. Okay, so now we are going a step above that. Everything which is currently running, okay, by trusts, all the university campuses, all the hospitals, everything which is being run by the trust, these facilities will be upgraded to climate smart, and
Agreed.
it will
Agreed.
be guaranteed, like, as per the model which we have discussed, the current operators will be getting 10% higher return on investment, 10% less efforts we operate for them. Okay, or we sell it to the new owner. Okay, whoever is the investor from North America, Europe, everywhere else, same things will
We
happen
will
with the new
develop it
owner
into
also.
climate smart.
Exactly. So we can
Got,
work with
got
the
it.
current owners, we can work with the
Yes.
new owners, but our strength is that we will be actually transforming this facility into climate smart facilities and assuring that the right return on investment will be given to the investors. Now,
Definitely.
in this
Definitely.
meeting, you are also joined by my digital marketing team. Okay. Certain number of people have
Very
joined
nice
this
to
team
see
now.
that.
They are also from India. Okay. And they are the
Very nice.
digital
I'll be
marketing
glad to see
experts.
them. And one
Okay.
more thing, I've got one more good news for you. One
Okay.
more good news for you.
Okay.
The one more good news is that I will show you. Please give me that. I got one island for
Okay.
you in Chennai.
Okay. All right.
Chennai.
Chennai. Okay.
It's surrounded by the ocean.
Uh-huh.
One
Okay.
side.
Okay.
I'll show you the pics if it is possible. You can
Okay.
see the pics.
All right.
I'll show you. One second. Huh? This is समंदर का व्यू बताओ ये
ठीक है.
you
Okay.
see this is the island. Can you
Okay.
see this?
No, I cannot
Can you
see
see
it very
this?
clear. Yeah, I can see it now. Yeah.
Yeah.
Wonderful. 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 We love islands.
This is the ocean is there. Okay.
No, we love the
200
islands because we can
island.
always,
Island in Chennai.
yeah.
No. I was actually hearing your conversation with some people where you were talking about putting some hub in the center of some continents. So I decided to have an island here. So I found this. Maybe it may be helpful for you.
No, I think it will be a
This is
wonderful
one
site.
picture.
It will be a wonderful site to
You
build
see,
our
this
floating
you can
communities.
put a girl. You can put everything.
Wonderful.
Sorry.
Wonderful. Looks good. Looks good.
This is another view. Another view of this.
Okay. Sounds
Anyway,
good.
send
Sounds
you
good.
this.
All right.
I'll send you on WhatsApp. You will get an idea for that, and you love to see this thing. It's a
Okay.
beautiful climate, smart city. के लिए it is
Can be built.
beautiful for houses, or beautiful for resort, or beautiful for anything, whatever you want.
But I think idea is very
University or
simple.
whatever.
Now, the next steps, everyone. The next steps is
Yes.
that we want to enroll all the beautiful, talented, educated lady engineers, okay, available in India, so that we can train them
Sure.
in the climate smart technologies in transforming Dalat. Dalat is a beautiful city in Vietnam where my inventors are residing. They have left Australia,
Nice.
they have left United States, and they have selected Dalat as their place of residence. So I thought that there must be a reason
nice.
for that, right? Why a person would live North America, why a person would live Australia and live in Dalat. So I said, well, I want to find out why they did it, okay? So now, and since they are the inventor of the technology, okay, so we learn directly from the inventors how to build climate smart campus towns. And idea is now this, that in that particular model, the Vietnam government will be supporting us, will be giving us the best foreign direct investment incentives, and we will be converting the whole city, not just a campus. We are not just building the campus, but the whole Dalat city will be converted into a climate smart city for the people to see how these 17 SDGs got implemented. So our digital marketing team now is in the process of enrolling all these wonderful, beautiful lady engineers. Okay, so all these ladies are combining from, you know, all cities of our world. They will be assembled in Dalat, enjoying the wonderful, beautiful, you know, weather and life in Dalat, and will be trained by our Dr. Paul Olivier and Mr. Ken Telford and Mr. Richard Nelson, who are the inventor of these technologies of, you know, building climate smart, you know, self-sustaining communities, climate smart campus towns, and converting the whole city into a climate smart city. So that is a master plan now, and you know, I think we are ready to move forward. And now, you know, I think I'm really pleased that this meeting took place. So now all the team from India are present over here. Okay, our digital marketing team will in Pakistan will also integrate, you know, in this particular project. But the priority situation now is enrollment of the lady engineers. We are targeting at least, you know, 53,000 lady engineers from all over, you know, the planet to assemble in Dalat, Vietnam, and start this project as soon as possible.
Fine. And one more thing, sir, I just wanted to discuss with you.
Okay.
Unfortunately, my light has been off here, so I may not be visible here. But
no,
my
it's
audio
fine. No problem. As long as we can hear you. Yeah, fine.
Now, sir, one thing, sir.
Okay.
Sir, what I have understood from you is you are having a very good, beautiful, fantastic, fantabulous business model and doing something extraordinary for the planet. And really, we will be thankful to you for this initiative and to everyone who is associated with this, for the reason that they are showing some sort of responsibility for themselves, for their future children's, and for their grandchildren's. Now, the point is, I am having very good real estate empire under my control, you can say, wherein I have a Dubai 5-star hotel for sale for 550 million AED. One. Number two, I have got plenty of hotels in Goa, Mumbai, and other places where some commercial malls are there which will immediately generate revenue. As I said to you earlier also, that is a little bigger amount, but the return on investment will start from the very next month. The thing is, like, the mall is worth 3000 CR. It is paying you 75 lakhs per month rent, apart from the vast area of 152 acres in a very prime location where you can build a campus, or you can build a resort, or you can build anything, whatever you wish, and it will be around the city. Everybody will come into your access, so it will be a potential place for already existing mall. And the mall's beauty is that Tata people have hired that floors, many floors, and yatra.com people have enrolled there. I mean, like, they are the tenants of those buildings. So this is just a glimpse. I'm telling you that the return on investment is very safe if collectively some people will come forward and take that.
Well, I
That is
think
one thing. Apart
Yusufbhai,
from that,
what I'm
we are having.
suggesting is this, Brother Yusuf, that okay, all these available sites, okay, currently operating sites or land which is available out there, you know, we need to develop a one-page business plan, okay, say you have got 100 sites, probably today in your network in India. Okay. So that means 100 one-page business plans, which can be presented to a potential investor. Okay. Now, for a $28 billion Lahore Ravi River project, our company, Chalfu International, is also arranging the finance. So finance is not an issue at all for us. Okay, finance is available. All we need to do is present to the financier that we have a solid climate smart entrepreneurs available in our team to build, maintain the project, okay, and provide this excellent return on investment to the investor. So that is the one-page business plan. If it is available to us for all these sites, Chalfu International will make sure that the investment is there. Okay, so I gave you a glimpse that in Pakistan, close to the Punjab, where you have identified number of sites in Delhi. Okay, and Shalender and our team is also present in Delhi. So they are there. They know how Delhi works, and all the billionaires of India are in Delhi. Okay, so there is no issue at all, and the billionaire is interested in becoming a trillionaire, and we can do that for them. So, and the beauty of the whole program is that they will become, the next level. If they are millionaires, they will become billionaires, but they will become billionaires legally and ethically. So that is the beauty of the whole program. They don't have to do anything wrong in becoming a billionaire. So we want to really create legal and ethical billionaires. Opportunity is excellent out there because everybody is interested in transforming their businesses into climate smart. If they don't do it now, they will not be able to survive, because my legal team, I'm working with the law professors of USA and globally to now make sure that we actually make climate smart standard a mandatory requirement for all facilities of our planet, because we want to save our mother earth, and we will not be tolerating any action from anybody which is non-climate smart, and they will be shut down officially and legally. So this is a survival issue for all facilities which are not climate smart today. So we can give this message to everybody. They can come and enjoy the benchmark return on investment, work with us. And if they don't work with us now, they will be probably hurting themselves and getting bankrupt, or they will be extincted legally, because we don't want anybody to do anything which will hurt our planet. That's a message.
Yeah, great. I think Mr. Yusuf has left for.
He has left. Okay. Shalender, I think he has given us a very good sort of, I think there was an internet connectivity issue, which definitely we are going to fix for them, so that, the connective issues are not there anymore. So I think we are ready to move forward, with the plan. And now I think the target is very, very simple. Okay. I mean, although, we have financiers available, global financiers are available, because we are offering them benchmark return on investment. So finance is not an issue at all. But my idea is self-sustaining, right? So if we can do it in a self-sustaining manner, and these return of investment is provided to, say, 2 billion mothers, that's what my target is. That I don't want to transform billionaires to trillionaires, so they can do the exploitation of the poor people, which they have been doing for so long. So I'm not interested in really doing it. But my interest is, although we have access to those funds, okay, and we can definitely get those funds to move our projects forward, but my intention is self-sustaining. So if we can create a climate smart fund, and if all these 5,300 PGC, which is a benchmark price for a Gemba program, if we can enroll all these lady engineers and all engineers basically into this program, so they are trained in the climate smart technologies, they build the first climate smart campus town in Dalit. and then they get themselves trained, and then we duplicate that plan in 10,000 cities. It's a very, very simple proposal. So this is what we want to do. Work with the brother Yusuf. We have a gentleman, I think we talked about, I think you shared that meeting which we had. It was a very, very productive meeting we had. So, overall business plan has been developed by us. We can share that video also with everybody, that this is what we are talking about. And this is what we want to, move forward with.
Yeah, sure. So, yeah, I was talking about that enrollment, digitally enrollment part that we are taking care.
Right.
So, how to proceed for that means what will be the next step? So that's why I was
The next
thinking
step is very simple. Next step is very simple, that okay, we need to find out, make sure that the current best hardware which will be provided by Kyocera will be available to you. Okay, so your software team, I will link you up with Mr. Alan Palmer here, who has developed this wonderful software to enroll all the families and all the residents into our program. So he has already done some groundwork on it. So now our team is going to be making sure that that software which is currently available is utilized to start the enrollment process, start the payment process, and everything else, which we need to do.
So can I have an overview of the software, how it is working? Because
What
see,
I will do is I will put you in touch with Alan Palmer. Okay, he has already developed a group for me, a community for me, with that software. So I will share that link with you, and that will provide you with the information about that particular software which is available.
I'm sorry.
And we'll move forward.
Yeah, I think Mr. Yusuf is back.
Yeah, Mr. Yusuf is back. And I think idea is that okay, Mr. Yusuf is in touch with the current facilities, and one of the services we provide at Chalfu International is to make sure that the governments who are in trouble, the big corporations who are in trouble today because of COVID-19, and all the SMEs are also supported by us. So whatever their problems are, we have a solution for their problem. Okay, we will make sure that we will integrate the right technologies, and whatever assets they have will be converted and enhanced through our pure gold coin concept, because we are enhancing all the assets by 5% when they join TQLMA Club. All they have to do, all these corporations and SMEs and farmers and all the businesses of the world, has to sponsor one Gamba engineer. Okay, when they do that, they will be having all the engineering horsepower with them, which they cannot afford on their own. Okay, with that engineering horsepower, nobody stops us from moving forward at warp speeds. That's a business plan, basically, in a nutshell. All right.
Yeah.
So what we need to do is work with Mr. Yusuf. So when we enroll all these engineers, and engineers suppose do not have $10,600, to pay for the Gamba program, then they will be linked within a business. Okay, a small business, a big business. Maybe Ambani can say, I can enroll 53,000 lady engineers, myself, which he can. Okay, would love to have 53,000 beautiful ladies working for him, around him. He won't say no to it, right? So this is it. Depending on what kind of a person you are, you can enroll one person, one beautiful lady, or 2 billion mothers are available to work for you. Right? So Yusuf Bhai, how many more wives you would like to have? Are you happy with the first wife, or you need more?
I'm happy with one.
Okay, good. No, actually, our model is this also. Okay, Yusuf Bhai, our model is this, that nobody should live alone. Okay,
Sir,
because there are so many single parents out there. So we are actually promoting that also, that people should get married, live a family life to take care of the children. And that problem is not in India, Pakistan. That problem is prevailing in North America and Europe. So we want
Yes.
to give them these beautiful mothers who are probably single mothers, so that, you know, single fathers can get married and then live a healthy, you know, family life.
Right. Agreed. This is
That's a
also a
model.
good thing.
That's
So
a model.
that some peaceful atmosphere
mothers-
will be created.
Okay. So our slogan is mothers can save Mother Earth. How about that?
Wow, wonderful. I love your marketing skills. Believe me, you are my mentor. You are my mentor. Believe me. Sir, one more thing, sir. I
Okay.
have something to sell to you. In Goa, we got some 99 hectares,
Mhm.
99 hectares of iron ore mine.
Okay. Okay. No problem.
Note this. Iron ore mine is there in Goa.
Correct.
Recently, I came across that thing. I said, give me all the papers first.
Okay, I
So
gave
that
you,
discuss-
I gave you an idea. Okay, I have an
Please.
access. I have access to say 48 kilometers square gold mine in Queensland, and the price of
Okay.
that mine is just $10 million. How about that?
Okay.
So
You
that
want to
is
sell it or you want
no,
to
no,
buy
it is
What is
available.
that?
I mean, this is the price of the mine. Like I'm buying a Buffalo gold mine in Oregon, okay, which has got $2 billion worth of gold and silver in it. I'm buying that mine for $110 million. So the value of the mine generally is whatever is the asset of the mine, the actual price of the mine is about 5% of the asset. Okay, that's a market price.
Okay.
That's how we buy mines. Okay, gold mines, coal mines, every kind of mines. Whatever is the, you know, proven reserves of the minerals. Okay, 5% is the value of the mine.
Okay.
That's it. So that is an offer which we can make to them.
Fine. We'll work out. I have got some papers for that. You please
Sure.
study it. You let your
No,
team
I've given
study.
you the model because I'm already buying mines, you know. I'm buying the
That's
mine
what-
in Oregon, Texas, and at 5% of the $2 billion price, which is $110 million. And I have offers because in Queensland, Australia, there are a lot of gold mines. And my inventor, Mr. Ken Telford, is an Australian, and he offered me those mines because I'm in the gold mining business. He says, Mufaddal, go transform those mines into, you know, climate smart mines so that we can improve the quality of life of Australia by really avoiding all these wildfires, which has really burned the Australia down completely. And that is a
Yes,
severe
yes,
problem over there.
Agreed.
And the mining
So,
industry is responsible for it.
The silver or gold still definitely there is a good scope for gold.
No, our
apart from that-
interest is gold and silver and precious stones.
Yeah.
That is our interest, because everything else which is not precious, it is good to keep them under the earth. Okay, we don't want to take them out anymore. We do not need them
Okay.
to pollute our environment.
Fine. So, okay.
So we will buy those facilities and keep them underground. So that is a way to save the earth.
Keep them underground.
Keep them underground. That's
What
it.
you
We
will
will
do
build our
when-
campus on top of it. So it will become climate smart
When-
campus.
when
We will
you-
grow some nice vegetables and greenery and everything else on top of it, and keep that dirty things inside,
sir.
you know, so it doesn't come out and hurt us.
No, nothing, sir. It is steel, sir. It is steel. It will be useful for your climate smart constructions.
That's what I'm saying. Everything has to be done in a climate smart manner. And I think most of the things available is in the air, not in the earth.
Yeah.
Whatever is in the earth should be kept in the earth.
Okay.
That's more secure, right?
Okay, fine. We'll fine. So, sir, so am I clear with the north part?
So now I think what you have to do is work with Hashim Arastu, engineer Hashim Arastu, who is the expert in developing one-page business plans, okay? So all the projects which you have in India, He will help you develop the one-page business plan, and then Chalfu International is going to get the finance for that, and we start the project.
Fine enough. Good enough. I'll send to Mr. Arastoji, right?
So your single point contact from that point on, from this point onward, is Mr. Shailendra in Delhi. Okay, he is in India. Okay. And Mr. Hashim Arastu is in Michigan, but his brothers are in Hyderabad, close to you. Okay, so you will be working with Hashim Arastu, Mr. Shailendra Singh in Delhi, so that they will help you technically to develop these one-page business plans, which can be presented digitally to potential investors. And we get the money also with agility and do our project also with agility.
Good.
Okay.
Now I'll send my project to Mr. Hashim Arasto and the Delhi guy, what you said, right?
Mr. Shailendra Singh is there. You guys get to meet each other.
Hi.
Okay. And they will help you technically in developing the business plan. And obviously they are the source, because they are enrolling 2 billion mothers into the 5300 PGC program. So you can say that you are actually talking to trillionaires, right in front of you. They are not small people. Okay. So you have to give them 2 salutes instead of 1.
Mufaddal bhai, nobody is in this. Those who are having little brains have joined with you to make it big. Bigger.
I think Yusufbhai, Shailendra, everybody, I think India has got a huge potential, and India has got huge problems also, which we need to solve. Okay.
Yeah.
So let us now apply our wisdom, resources, apply the leadership of our wonderful Prime Minister. And I love Prime Minister who are business people, because they know how to make money and how to really improve the quality of life of everybody. But people who are business people, and I can give you this in a nutshell, that business people are only people who are running the countries and the governments. So they are paying the taxes.
100%.
I totally
They are
agree.
paying the taxes. They are generating the resources. They are working hard so that everybody else can enjoy a good life. Now, all we need to do is, out of 100, these businessmen, maybe 3 of them might be crooks. So we want to make sure that those crooks' mind can be transformed into climate smart mind, so that, we have got 100% people on board working with harmony with us. And all the crooks can get this message from us, that if they don't live their crooked ways, COVID-19 is going to put them in their graves very fast. Because we have got a special spray. We've got a special spray. We just spray those COVID-19 into their environment, and they will go with agility into the graves. They know that.
Yeah.
Okay. So we have to create, what kind of messages are there. Okay. Live your crooked ways. Okay. Join us. Enjoy inflation-free total quality life with us. Otherwise, COVID-19 is out there.
COVID-19 is for you.
Correct.
Waiting to welcome you. Don't 19 will welcome you.
Very simple.
Please
I mean, the
be
message
safe,
is simple,
be
right?
aware of that.
No, the message is simple, because Mr. Trump got the experience and Modi saved his life. So Trump will invest trillions of dollars along with Mr. Modi, because he saved his life, Because Modi actually gave them those herbal formulations, and Trump became young again. 3 days that COVID-19 was gone. He has become a very strong man now, So I think all these leaders are not also spared. They are also very scared of COVID-19. And, I think we need to help everybody out, so that, collectively we beat this virus and, move forward with a good life for everybody.
Definitely.
And 2 billion mothers are going to make sure that there is no wars in the world. Because I told them that when 2 billion mothers start marching, all the armies will be under their feet, you know.
Yeah.
They cannot beat 2 billion mothers, you know.
The brief has to be bold.
Right. So I think with that positive note, we conclude the meeting, and Mr. Shailendra will work with our software team. Mr. Kyocera will provide us the best hardware.
Sure.
Shailendra will work with our software team to develop the existing, just use the existing software, and then, make sure that we have, a facility to maintain 10 billion data points.
Yeah, sure.
That's it. That's all. We need to just expand it. The thing has been developed already. We just need to make sure that, now we distribute it in all the cities so that even the current hardware and software is applicable, and we don't have to worry about, maintaining a huge database. So we distribute our database also into 10,000 cities, and it will be easier to maintain it.
Yeah, sure.
Give my best wishes to our.
Thank you very much.
I don't know his name. I don't know his name, but still my wishes are with them. So please convey from my side that Yusuf from India is conveying good wishes to the entire team.
Thank you very much. Work together and, make sure that we now, the important word is agility. And we want to really, work with agility to beat this very, very innovative and agile COVID-19 virus, So we want to beat that virus with agility. That is our target.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Yeah. So I'm expecting that I will be getting the software information from the team.
I will get you in 5 minutes, so you will be directly in touch with Mr. Alan Palmer. Follow up on that, discussion I had with him. And, you guys can then talk your own language of, software, in terms of coding. So, you can do it very efficiently, right?
Sure.
It's better than English, right?
Definitely.
For me, obviously it's better.
So that is it, and I think we will like to actually transform all these, our engineers into these, they should understand these coding languages, for maintaining this holochain technologies.
Yeah, actually, what's running behind the scene means, so whatever we are getting for enrollment purpose, there is some coding part, but only engineers will be going to take interest in that coding part. Rest all will be coming for this enrollment part that you have
exactly. And I think we need to have a solid back-end team so that we make sure that there are no security issues, there are no hiccups, and it runs fail-proof without any breaks.
And, user experience and user interface should be easy for use, and for the payment for all. It should not have the failures and all. Yeah,
correct. So back-end team should be taking care of that.
I think we are going to tell about something back-end and front-end. Back-end will be the hardware coding part goes on, and the front-end will be
Mr. Yusuf, and that people who are in front, they know how to do the marketing and everything, talk to billionaires and millionaires effectively. And I am a kind of a person who will always remain in ground like a wheat seed, just producing 1,000-fold returns for you guys.
Sir, you are like a water. You will find more in stones, in mountains,
right.
Everywhere you'll find way. I love that. I love your.
Yeah. Without water, we cannot grow anything, right? So we have to be flexible like water.
You have to be flexible like water.
Exactly.
You will convert in the same way. People will get confused whether this is a glass or this is a water.
Correct. So I think with that positive note, I think we have defined our roles. I'll
go with Mr. Sir. I'll be needing the contact of Delhi person. What you said.
Yeah. You guys are now, together and, share the information and make this. I think I will include you, Yusuf Bhai, in that digital group also. And I think there is a group
Yeah.
also of SAMS TQLMA India, and I will include Shalendar also in that group, which you are already in. Okay.
Audio is not. I'm unable to hear the voice.
Okay,
So
I
anyways,
think
please send me
I
the
will
recording,
be
huh?
I will be
I'm
sharing
able-
the recording with you guys. There's no issue. So I think with that positive note,
Thank you.
we end the meeting, and you guys should find a easy way. Make one India group. There are a lot of groups there, so you don't want to confuse people. But there are two groups. Okay, one is the regional group, which we call it India group. So all the people working in India can communicate among themselves. And then there is a professional group. The professional group could be an international group where all the international professionals who are with the IoT technologies, etc., can participate. So we want to keep the groups very, very focused.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, and
Okay.
that way it can be sort of executed effectively.
Sure, sure, sure.
All right. Okay. Pleasure talking to you, Shailendra. Share that recording also, with us, so we can maybe, I think this probably will be a good summary. This this particular session. So I think we have summarized
yeah.
everything, so that should be,
I've
I think,
already
fine.
summarized.
Sure, sure. I'll share in the group.
Okay. Perfect. Okay. Thank you very much,
Thank you.
guys. Okay. Take care. Have a wonderful day, and we
Thank you
move
so much.
forward. Okay. Okay. Sure thing.
Same.
Right. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Thank you.